A cool and nice city where we were born. A city full of color in a matter of its people, its culture, and even its culinary. And in this city, our story began. As the city grows, the land for farming becomes lesser and lesser. But if we take a look deeper, we will still can see hectares of rice fields lay on the city. The production of rice unfortunately brings out the abundant amount of waste. The unused rice stem will usually be burned, and the outer skin of rice will be mashed to the poultry's food. Worse, they are thrown away in the river.
Oh, bekatul itu biasanya buat apa ya, Pak?
Buat makan unggas.
Oh, buat makan unggas.
Iya.
Berapa, Pak, 1 kilonya?
3.500.
3.500. Laris apa enggak, Pak?
Oh,
penjualan?
laris.
Tapi buat makan unggas, Pak ya?
Oh iya, bebek unggas, ya suruh unggas-unggasan wis. Ayam. Jenisnya unggas.
Malang, this little and calm city, is also well known for its prominent traditional market, which bring out its unique traditional snack. One of them is Cenil. This old school snack unfortunately are so rare these days.
Cenil hari apa, Bu?
Tiap hari.
Tiap hari. Dari jam berapa sampai jam berapa, Bu?
Dari 6:30 sampai jam 4. Nah, kalau rame itu ya sampai jam 2.
Laris, Bu, ya cenilnya, Bu?
Alhamdulillah.
Tapi agak sulit, Bu, ya sekarang nyari cenil, Bu, ya?
Oh ya langka dan
Oh, langka. Ya. Kalau yang beli itu biasanya anak apa
ya
remaja?
orang dewasa ya orang tua.
Oh, orang dewasa sama orang tua.
Tapi ya kebanyakan ya orang tua.
Orang tua, Bu. Anak-anak jarang, Bu, ya?
Oh nggak mau sekarang.
Oh, nggak mau anak-anak.
Ini kan jajanan tempo dulu. Nah, sekarang nggak mau gini-gini.